How to fix Facebook comment sorting reset. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix comment sorting reset. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Facebook app on your device and make sure to log into your account. Now, if you're facing this issue, then the first fix is to manually select newest each time. So for that, tap on comments. Now here you will find this drop down. Right now most relevant is selected. What you want to do here is select the option of newest, which will show you all the newest comments first. So go ahead and select that. Now as you can see, all the newest comments are being shown here. Now another thing you can do is open up your settings, then tap general. Now tap iPhone storage. Here select Facebook, then tap on the offload app option. Tap on offload app again. Now select reinstall app option. After Facebook has been reinstalled, you want to launch it open and check if your issue is fixed. Now there is no permanent fix yet, but Facebook is aware and working on this. For now, you can try these fixes, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.